This is the solution video for section 6.1, problem number 10. All right, so in this one, very similar to the example that we did in class, all right? So I realized that I'm going to have to take t squared plus 3 and multiply it out. So I have t squared plus 3 times itself, t squared plus 3, and then all divided by the t to the 6th dt. All right, so t squared plus 3 times t squared plus 3, so I get t to the 4th plus 3t squared plus 3t squared, so 6t squared plus 9, all divided by t to the 6th dt. All right, and remember, I'm still integrating with respect to t, so I have to write that integral every step. All right, so now I'm going to realize that I can split this up into t to the 4th over t to the 6th plus 6t squared over t to the 6th plus 9 over t to the 6th, all with respect to t. All right, so t to the 4th over t to the 6th, that is t to the negative 2nd, right, because we're going to subtract, plus 6 times, that would be t to the negative 4th, and then plus 9 over 6, t to the 6th is 9t to the negative 6th. All right, and then with respect to t, remember we haven't integrated yet, so we have to keep writing the integral symbol and the dt. All right, so now t to the negative 2nd. I'm going to add 1 to the power. All right, so if I add 1 to the power, I get t to the negative 1st over negative 1 plus 6. All right, so now t to the negative 3rd over negative 3, and then plus 9. I'm going to add 1 to the power t to the negative 5th over negative 5, and then of course plus c. So now I could rewrite this as like negative 1 over t, right? And then minus 2 over t cubed, and then here minus 9/5 or 9 over 5 t to the 5th, and then of course plus c. So obviously there's different variations. Okay, now notice I wrote the integral symbol, integral symbol, integral symbol, integral symbol, and then I stopped writing it because that is the step that I actually evaluated the integral.